Imagine the incredible feeling of waking up tomorrow morning, checking your phone, and seeing an extra $1,000 sitting in your bank account without working a single hour to get it. In the changing economy of 2025, relying on a traditional 9 to 5 paycheck is simply not enough to get ahead anymore. To be truly free, you need your money to work for you. So today, here are 7 proven strategies to build serious wealth while you sleep. The first method on our list is the king of passive income, dividend investing. Think of this as renting out your money to big corporations. When you buy shares of a profitable company, like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or McDonald's, you essentially become a partial owner of that business. As a reward for trusting them with your capital, these companies share a portion of their profits
The
with
data
you
clearly
every
shows
single
our
quarter.
strategic initiatives are
Here
working.
is why this is perfect for
Absolutely,
beginners.
a fantastic
You
quarter.
do not need to sit in front of a computer and monitor the stock market all day. You don't need to stress about the stock price going up or down in the short term. As long as the company remains profitable, they send cash directly to your brokerage account. It is truly passive income. Moving on to method number 2, high-yield savings accounts. This is the safest way to make money in 2025. Most traditional banks in the US give you practically zero interest, like 0.01%. That is an insult to your hard-earned money. Instead, you need to move your emergency fund to an online bank like Ally, Marcus, or SoFi. These banks offer interest rates around 4% to 5%. It sounds small, but if you have $10,000 sitting there, that's $500 of free money a year just for switching banks. It is risk-free and FDIC insured. Method number 3 is real estate crowdfunding. You might think you need hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy property, but thanks to technology, that game has changed. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest as little as $500 into large apartment complexes or commercial buildings. You don't have to fix toilets, deal with tenants, or collect rent. The platform manages everything, and you simply collect the dividends from the rental income. It is real estate investing on autopilot. Next up, number 4, affiliate marketing. This is how many creators make thousands online. You simply recommend products you already use and love. For example, if you sign up for the Amazon Associates program, you can get a special link for any product on Amazon. If you share that link on a blog,
If you want to know what
social
gear I use,
media,
I've
or a
linked
YouTube
everything
channel,
down in the description
and
below.
someone buys anything through it, you get a commission. The best part? You don't need to create a product, ship anything, or deal with customer service. You are just the middleman connecting people to what they need. Number 5 is selling digital products. In the traditional economy, you trade time for money. If you stop working, you stop getting paid. But with digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses, you create the product once and you can sell it 10,000 times. Whether it's a budgeting spreadsheet on Etsy or a fitness guide, once the file is uploaded, the entire sales process is automated. You could be sleeping or on vacation, and your store is still making sales 24/7. Method number 6, peer-to-peer lending. This cuts out the bank entirely. Through websites like Lending Club or Prosper, you can lend your money directly to individuals who need loans for things like debt consolidation or home improvements. Because you are taking on the role of the bank, you can earn higher interest rates, often between 6% and 10%. Of course, there is slightly more risk here, but spreading your money across many different loans can minimize that risk while maximizing your returns. And finally, number 7, renting out your assets. You probably have things sitting around your house costing you money instead of making you money. Have a car you don't drive on weekends, listed on Turo. Have a spare room or a guest house, listed on Airbnb. Even simple things like camera gear or tools can be rented out on specialized apps. This turns your liabilities into income-generating assets immediately. Conclusion. So there you have it, 7 paths to financial freedom. The truth is, wealthy people in America have an average of 7 streams of income. They don't rely on luck, they rely on systems. My advice? Don't try to do all 7 at once. Pick one method from this video, start today, and master it. Then move to the next. If you found value in this video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm Financial Friend, helping you master your money. I'll see you in the next video.